Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're making one of my favorite summer salads, so I actually call this a detox fruit salad. We're gonna take 2 stalks of celery, and you can see that they're really finely diced. So we have a really small diced celery. So these are 2 stalks of celery. I have 1 Honeycrisp apple. I don't know about you, but these are my favorite apples. I recommend doing an organic apple if you can. And just so you know, after I diced this, I did put some lemon juice on it just to keep it from browning. But if you're making it right when you're gonna consume it, you won't have to worry about that. So 1 Honeycrisp apple diced up. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of yellow cherry tomatoes, add those in, and those are cut in half. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of blueberries, fresh blueberries. I have 1/4 cup of hemp seeds, so this will add a little bit of a creamy texture to the salad. It'll also add some protein and omegas. I have 3 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. I'm just gonna toss that on. I also have 2 cups of chopped spinach, and this is actually some local spinach that we got from a nearby farm, so it was really big leaves. So we just kind of roughly chopped these. And last but not least, I'm going to slice up an avocado. So I'm just going to kind of slice the avocado. I want to do some thicker squares, so like a thick dice on the avocado, just because I want to add some creaminess and a different texture to the salad. Plus, this will add some healthy fat and help keep you full for longer. I'm just going to scrape this out and toss that in. So this is a great salad to add to a picnic, to bring to the pool, to add to like a burger or a heavier meal, and you want to get some raw veggies and some fruits in you, just to kind of balance it and give you extra antioxidants. This is a really great summer meal or snack, either way you want to do it. So now I'm just going to stir this all together. So the only dressing we're using is that fresh lime juice. So it's going to give it a really light summer taste. With the avocado, the blueberries, the apple, the tomatoes, we have a lot of moisture content already, so it really doesn't need much. If you wanted to add something, you could, but I think you're gonna be just fine and really happy with the way this turns out. So as you can see, we have this beautiful salad, lots of bright colors, fresh flavors in there. And this will stay good. Really just, I wouldn't make it too far in advance. I would really make it the day you want to consume it so it stays fresh. But you could meal prep this and eat it for a couple of days if you wanted to. Just make sure you add that lemon juice to the apple to keep it fresh. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope all of your friends and family enjoy if you're sharing. But be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I will see you next time.